Ki Ngut ki MLA ka Congress u Dr. Celestine Lingdo na Umsning, uba Charles Marngar na Mauhati, pat uba Gabriel Walang na Nongston constituency, hakakat kendai terik u Nailar Ahja Arpusal, kila Pyniasoh no yaladi kum ki Dkhot ba Pura jong ke NPP. Ya kita Ki Ngut ki MLA la Pyniasoh ngobha de u National President ke NPP u Konrad Sangma hak jingedon lang u MP ke Rajya Sabha uba WR Kharlukhi ki Ngut ki sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela uba Presto Tingsong pat uba senyau bahalang dhar lembat ki noyalam bat ki Dkhot ke NPP. Da ke jingwan Pyniasoh jong kini Ki Ngut ke NPP minta kaladon lai puwei ki MLA mat ke Kongres kaladon setang uwei u MLA uta udei uba Roni V Lingdo u belong u MLA ke Miliam constituency.
Ask if you will take a seat. Can I take a seat? I think press also we can request if we can come to the side or I'll give the floor. Yes, sir. Please. I request Dr. Khalukhi to come in. So thank you. Dr. Dkhot.
Parti segi kumma malanggarku angkapor sekapor manginla panai sing sekri wabha nagamta kari wajat pendriu balik kerjela kabi kejongi kedalan kat bagani ke sarkar kejongi po kejelam josar jengi bagani kanangla ban ai kejing sekri ya kejing kwi lenti jongi paiba.
So the Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Meghalaya, the State President of the National People's Party, Shri Preston Tingsong, who is also the Deputy Chief Minister. Everyone has been wondering, 2 MLAs are suspended, what about the third one? I choose to keep silent. And when I look here, in the first row, 90% are ex-congressmen. Actually, there is nothing new between us here. It is a journey that we all take, and we decide to go right or left when we see the journey to the right is less beneficial to the people who represent. Situation demands that we should take the left road. This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us, to bring changes and development that we also want to show, we have decided to take the road on the left. Ketin kasih ke orang kuno, ya nanti mi hati, ya nanti mi hati. You take any road, but take the road that gives the best benefit to the people. No hatred to anyone. But on a personal level, I appreciate the Honorable President of the National People's Party, the National President, who is also the Chief Minister. It is not easy for us to say, I'm leaving my parent party from which I was elected and to join another party. But the good commitment and the faith that we have between the Chief Minister and between us, with the hope that that agreement and commitment that we have will bring changes in our constituency, that paves the way for all things that is happening now. I always dream good for my constituency and always dream of good things for the state, and maybe today, through this government and through the National People's Party, we can make that dream come true. We cannot say that every nook and corner of Meghalaya will become like New York in 5 years' time. No. Development is a journey. But we have to take each step at a time. Problem comes only when you don't take any steps further. That is the problem. So I hope with the combination, the strength of the government that we give by our joining, I think, sir, we have an absolute no. Yes. The number is an absolute majority. That number should give confidence to this government. That number should give courage to this government to decide. People may have misunderstanding, but as long as we decide for the good of the people, that courage should see us through this journey. I express my gratitude to all my friends who have come from Umsling constituency, also friends from Longstoin and Mawati. Indeed, these last 2 weeks has been very stressful weeks. You don't see it in my face because my gray hair is hiding all that. But stress is there. But I hope this family that we are here now will take us all along. We might have little issues in my constituency, but we will get along. We will integrate both the existing NPP members and the new members that I will be bringing along. We will have a teamwork. So from my side, I only wish the best for the party, the best for the government, and the best for the state. Thank you.
But they will join together and someday. Dengan sukuman, kecuali kecuali ini, kerana kita ada berkat konstitusi. Kami pengawan kami nak berkat jadi. Yang ia dijadikan di bawah, kan kami isni kita dong. Kan kami isni kekam kasam kami. Asmo lemah yang lebih kubu berada. Bangan susah kami, bangan suwi, nansu. Ai yang tahu. Bangalay opposition namun apa lagi nak tahu baiklah naslo ba kalau ko laga menjadi sama kalau motor kami kan kali kata tahu pokok santo ayo kita keren ya kejiman itu cuma pada semua anda hawa kan lo konsumsi belum kam ya kan roy apa kita kam deh ya soka maka dia juga pernah ngiskan idola ni usia Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Besar Arlo, yang sekarang pada cuma hande kanan klaim, but mengalah ban ai dan cik sekali berkambah ya kan mustahil berfungsi, but ya district West Kasih Merawat ni naik tempat buat Norway, ya dan lupa meeting, kawan Bruce Pak pilih mediation pilih perkat mengalapan kejadian tu mati mengalami lagi mengansua mengan sini kau biailat merah Malaysia masuk bab ketika sur kau mati di bersihkan dengan masa boy hamil mentah reklam kejadian joran jom kindong ikan patut dipakai sesuai nama mabantang berbaik nama kejiwaan berbaik kalau kalah sama muslim yang parti ada kejiwaan lang baru karena pengklaimnya ke parti dan menjadikan inilah menjawab hadi election di bangsa mana I'll come here to serve for the public and at the same time to serve the party. I'll do my best as I've been in the youth congress before. I'll do my best to perform in us and MPP family, to strengthen the family, to work the party, and to make sure that we will win in the 2028. Kamu keren sipun, ada yang ngeskan, bahkan senang keren berdipres, hari kita berengkap, ada yang semua yang boleh, kuliah ke dalam, namun tahu semua. Penonton yang menjadi kesan, penonton kesopan, penonton orang, ya kalau itu apa, nak kita, kamu supaya konstruksi.
Jinsong kelahir. Nioi tamil muslim, nioi dia tua. Kaya ibu kuat orang ayah keluar akan dikejar. Ni dalam ni macam ni. Ni kan cepat kejengit jat beliau. Beli macam sunyi jat. Lalu dalam ada National People's Party, kita mau ijat beliau sih. Ini dia jat. Baru orang ni sini. Empat dalu MLA mau di konstitusi. Ubah dalam ini. Hak history juga mau di ulai dalam dia hak kerja yang malam asin lagi menaik pada nak menjadi fight bahawal. Tinggal jangan ni National People's Party. Serta Pura. Ini trailer tapi kenapa kerana itu sim Malaysia mati. Nak menjadi jumpa jangan fight bahawal ke konsensus. Kenapa kau ini jing on, jing itu kerana agar senang jangan anong ceri bonding sama dia. Norway orang abang, lalu si hostnya, niat di sama dia. Mendal kriya dan eriong militi siyo, tentang iklan bantai wo biolay. Lalu si Islam bukan kriya, ikan masa. Kaya itu mengut banon hari ini itu apa? Iklan ko, ikam ibadah MPP kelada. Jadi kita tahu ini, menambah konsensi kejoharan ini itu. Mengadon kejingkeran, kerana kejingkeran ini di NPP kalau kejingkeran, nak kemenang. Kemauan konsensi was the one of the backward konsensi in Rimhal district and also in the state as a whole. Tapi ini kita ni bahasanya, kalau kulai lagi kita baru kejing kulai berkerpang, ikinomia lang kejungi, kita dah kejungi. Ekwa bagi itu ini. Mana kalian kejungi ada kan? Show meeting mana? Kumasih jamun. Sekolah jenis dan bilang meeting. Ada senang tuan. Tak boleh kesuruh. Mendai malam lain boleh. Mendai collectively decision. We decided to join NPP. Stasi ketian suara kan? Kalau kita try juni kita lupa mana? Sir, I'm here to say something. Now we have two groups, old and new NPP. Old and new. Tanggawi ngekwa atau ni kalau apa? Kalian cuma pun nongeng. Idon kami yang kecingin cina. Isu komen yang kecingin adalah ini idon dalam NPP. Nak blok mau. Ini trigger. Adjustment should be there. Adjustment should be there. Kita lagi bikin ya. I play this.
Our National Vice President, and in our journey today, by Celestine Lingdo, by Charles Maranga, by Gabriel Kum, and all the supporters who are out here today to be part of this program, but more importantly, to be part of the National People's Party family. As the National President of the party, I would like to take this opportunity to once again very warmly welcome all of you to the family of the National People's Party. Welcome to everyone. Today is indeed a very historical moment for the National People's Party. It is a historical moment even for the state. As was mentioned by our Deputy Chief Minister, that with the joining and the merging of our three friends who have come and joined us, today the strength of the National People's Party stands at 31 MLAs in the Legislative Assembly, which, as mentioned, is an absolute majority. Friends, while this is a great moment for us as a party, and a great moment for us as being part or being the government, I'm humbled, I should say. I'm humbled with the kind of trust, the belief that all the leaders today have shown towards the National People's Party. As was mentioned by Dr. Celestine, that if you look at this row, an entire row, most of the people are actually from the Congress family. And if you put me also in it, though I was not originally in Congress, I joined the NCP as the first political party. But by default, my roots were also through late Pyniasoh in the Congress. But today, political dynamics have changed in the state and in the country. It's not that any party is good or bad. We're not here to bring down any party, not speak anything negative. Everybody has their role to play. Everybody has a role to play. Every political party has a role to play. And that's what the sign of a healthy democracy is. So there's nothing wrong in that. But as political leaders, we need to sometimes take decisions. Decisions which may not be the easiest decision to take. Tough moments come in front of us, where some people will say it is right, it is wrong. But what is most important, as what late Pyniasoh used to always tell me, from the time I started following him as a little boy, he used to tell me, as long as your conscience is clear, as long as you know that what you're doing in your heart is right, as long as you are putting your people first, you will always make the right decision. And therefore today I am extremely happy. I'm extremely proud to see the kind of team that we have today in the National People's Party. I don't think many years back people would have ever imagined that a National People's Party would have such a galaxy of leaders with so much of quality, so much of capability in them. I don't think anybody ever imagined this. It's a great moment for us. I remember telling Masnya Balamdar one day, we were sitting in the assembly and we were having lunch, and I used to look at Dr. Baum and Ba Charles and Ba Gabriel and some other leaders, and I said, just if we could have leaders like them in our party. You won't believe it, I'm telling you, you can ask him later on whether I said that or not. I have to tell him. Apart from, of course, many of the leaders we have. Of course, we're not saying that the leaders we have are not capable. Absolutely, they are very capable. But you look at the quality also here and you say that nothing like having a better team. Nothing like having more leaders who really work from their heart, from their soul, who speak the truth, know how to speak it, get the message across without having to hurt anybody's sentiments, but being firm in the message that they want to send to. It's a very, very great quality. And I should notice this, and I should tell Master that wouldn't it be amazing? And I look back at that day and remember that moment and remember this time now today when that thought of mine was almost like a prophecy and today it has come true. We never thought actually it could happen at that moment, really. And it's just a thought that we should discuss. Saying that this is a quality of the kind of debate we should have in the house. The kind of team we should have, the kind of teacher.
Kibahaka bakatu kumbakilade klasya nasi day bakiwan lasya kundi hakanu kudu benta ngayon ikot kuar kikren lai hujan teruskin ngasyo ibadat kibaw manangin leches kumpul pamilai persya ayu kodrat sama national president hanaba uday master ayu coaching. They said, Chief Minister and the National President of NPP, his master in coaching MLAs. Is it? Sure, sir. So I'm just saying, yes. If you want to do that, yes, let us prove it is good work. We are ready for that. But let me tell you one thing. This is not the place of drama. This is the place, the family of NPP is the place to serve the state. Irrespective, you are from which sector, from which denomination, but we are here to serve the state. They nakatagao kapapulong ba kini kilaiput kaya nagi betul kurang jadi. Kiwan Manifesto Manifesta. Point number 2. Today morning I had a meeting with all the 3 blocks. Non-state block, Umsning, and also Mauhati. So we already shared our views, our concern, everything. And ultimately, even all the block members of these 3 blocks, 3 constituencies, they welcome all the 3 of you sincerely, but to make sure that the commitment they made before me being the president, I would like to request all the 3 members. I told them, me, working president Mahan, will have a meeting of the block MPP along with all of you. All the 3 places, I will go myself and we'll have a meeting so that, ultimately we understand that we are from the same family and we will carry on the motto, the program, the agenda of the party, serving the best convenient of the people of those 3 constituencies. So very soon, after the session, we will have a meeting. But na sa tim ikiti borok ay would akabagi fix the meeting. Kaway hanostoy, kaway hamawati, but kaway antay hapo umsting. Kata kapag nila ay panbay, saya kaway shibun ang nangyay iya gini ginong kita ang joki blocks kibawan, temen edon kibong lakan man akaba I Gabriel Kum Presiden John District ila donang de nisdubok Presiden John District West umyo parwan ke kita kita uru dalam program nama kuma mau ngipinikan kiu kiu ya ka ne ka pinting berdon ta ne ka sutu ta de lainnya donang kaju kajing kata kata kajingnya kiu ni siye kisah